Okay. What's up, tube? We're on live now. Appreciate you all tuning in. All right, cool. I'm gonna pull this over here. All right, 1 second here, guys. We're getting started. All right, hold on. All right, hold on, guys. We're just getting started here, so I'm gonna pull this up, pull all these little charts up really quick. I gotta get settled here, and then yeah, we'll get started. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys. So yeah, we're back on live now. So early morning, man. I haven't told the team anything, but yeah, we're here. All right, hold on. I do want to turn this down just a bit. All right, 1 second here. I'm tweaking up these settings before I officially, before we're officially on. Yo. All right, cool. That should be good. I hope. Oops, not me do that. All right, cool. That should work. You guys can see everything. All right, perfect. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys. All right, we're gonna tell the team we're on live now, and then yeah, we're gonna go over today what I'll be looking for and also what we'll be looking at. So 1 second here. Let's see. Yo, Milo, thanks for sharing the live stream. I appreciate it. All right, cool. Pulling up this other chat really quickly. 1 second here. All right, yeah, we're on, guys. Yo, Alex, thanks for the follow, man. Appreciate it. Yo, yeah, we love you too. Appreciate it. All right, so yeah, so let's go over the cues first today. Let's do on this 1 hour charts. We just told the team we're on live. Yo, Myra, Pap, what's up? Good to see you guys and gals. So about this one, I will be honest, it looks like we already ended up hitting our final TP. So yesterday, we pretty much got into these sales at seller's control here, and then we ended up dropping down to this downside. But let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and start fresh on this. Make sure you guys can see my charts. That'd be great. So the 30-minute charts might not be terrible. Hold on, let's see. Okay. Yeah, I got it. So yeah, we got a nice little play here, which doesn't look bad. I will say, so before anyone says anything, I get it, understand. Not the craziest box, but we got empty space under this wall, so under here, I do want to see, possibly, I would like to see down to this 620 area. So it still looks good, still looks decent. Maybe I'll try it down to the 619. There is a little pocket here, which doesn't look bad. So clear gap up. Yo, Jeff, what's up, bro? Hold on 1 second here, guys. I'm just fixing everything up. So first day streaming back. All right, so yeah, if we drop under there, I'll definitely try one and then see if we can get a nice little break it to the empty space, and then I probably will leave some runners because there is another little leg down. All right, so that's there. Yes, on this 1 hour chart to the downside. So if I try that, it'll be like a lotto, and then there's another pocket here. So another reason why I have this box here. Some empty space from that 617. So body candle wick. We break under that. want to see down to that 613. All right, 1 second, guys. I gotta change that. Yo, what's up, everyone? Yo, Simone, thanks for the follow, man. Appreciate it. Pat, thanks for sharing the live stream. All right, so yeah, we got empty space, which is below us too, so it doesn't look bad. All right, upside though. I will be honest, I probably will keep the same upside. So, upside still looks good, personally. So yes, we still got a nice little move here, which looks good. So there's a little pocket there that doesn't look too bad. But I will say, I would want to build a little bit of structure here. So on this 1 hour chart, just give me a second here. So I still like this same little play, which doesn't look bad. Up from that 631. 1 second here. There's a little pocket there, which looks good. I think about that. 628. Hold on. Yeah, 628. Honestly, try the 6. Man, I'm trying to that 632 area. That looks good. So yeah, we got a little pocket there. 1 second, just trying to figure this out. Pretty much the same box that we had. So yes, there was a nice area of consolidation here. And we need to break above this top box in order for us to target into this empty space. So basically, we got a clear gap down here. So yeah, clear gap down, no consolidation. Looks good. All right, so that's there. Let's see if we get that break. Empty space is above us, which doesn't look too bad. So, nice little 1 hour chart. That's what I would like. I do understand that. Hold on, let's see. We got another little box here, so little box there. If I want to take a little trade above that 626, I definitely could. Probably take it up to the upside there, see if we can get that clean little break. So that's another little move that I can see. Just gonna see how things play out. Might have to tweak this up, depending on where we want to go. All right, so yeah, that's on the cues. Doesn't look too bad. We'll see how things play out. We shall see. Yeah, so we got PPI in what? Literally like a minute. Yo, Mara, yeah, I got you. I can zoom out for you. All right, so yeah, this is that place upside. So on the 1 hour, I do like above that 628 area. So you could see that little pocket there. That's what I would like. Downside, the best move that I like here will be under that 617. The other moves, I will say, will be more of like lights, smalls, if we end up getting them. But yeah, that's what I can see. So hopefully you can see what I'm looking at there. All right, so yeah, that's one of the cues. Let's go over what? Tesla. So Tesla, and yeah, you probably can't see the numbers. So before you say anything, I got you. All right, so let's take a look here. Yo, team, appreciate it. Let's see here, 2 hour, 1 hour. All right, so on Tesla, okay, yes, the full move actually ended up happening. So, or we're about to, tap that TP. So if we do want to touch it, that's 442 looks good to me. But I will say, yeah, this actually doesn't look bad. This actually looks pretty good. 440. Let me see. Let's see. Okay, cool. Honestly, so yeah, this was a play from yesterday. So clear gap up, no consolidation. We ended up breaking under, and then we hit that first TP, and then looks like we're trying to hit that final. But screw that. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. I do want to see. So yeah, we got another empty space move here, which looks good. And then right under this box here, Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Honestly, I feel like we're just getting started here, man. Can you check out EO? Yes, sir. I got you, bro. So yeah, pretty much same thing for today. Empty space Potter box, the same thing that I'll be looking at. Personally, I do want to see if we can get that break outside of this box here into this empty space. And if we can, yeah, it looks good. So yeah, under that 440, not too bad there. Above us though, hold on, let's see. All right, depending on how we close like this, this definitely could be another box here. And then yes, right above, so let's see, 447. Let me see this 1 hour. Okay. So yeah, we got another little pocket here. So another little box pretty much. And then break above that 447 area, we could see up to this 451. So pretty much got to break this box in order for us to try to target into this empty space, which looks good. All right, so yeah, that's to the upside. That's if we want to get that nice break. Looks good. All right, cool. So yeah, right now we're in a little bit of consolidation. Want to see if we can break outside of consolidation here. All right, so yeah, that's on Tesla. We'll see how things play out. I will be honest, yes, there's a little pocket here too, so definitely a little pocket there that we could end up targeting into as well. I'll just see how this box brings out, and then yeah, we'll see how that plays out. All right, cool. Tesla looks good. We'll also go over IWM SPY. Let's take a look here. You guys probably want to see that. Let's see. NVDA. All right, cool. EL. HOD. Yo, Brett, what's up, bro? Pins. Yep, got you. Yo, appreciate the gifts. Really appreciate it. I didn't even see those. All right, so NVDA actually doesn't look bad. Yeah, we got a little move here. 1 second here. Let's see. All right, yeah, I had to write some things down. Getting ready for today, man. So, honestly, let's get rid of it. I still like it. Honestly, yes, this is more of a range rather than a box, but I do want to personally see if we can break under this, let's see, 184. So 184 looks good. We got empty space, which is down to this, let's see, 182. So if we can break there, looks good. Right now, we're in a little bit of consolidation, so want to basically break out outside of that consolidation area, which looks good. All right, cool. Above us, yeah, we got a little gap here. My bad, just looking at a few things. Want to see above that 187. 187 up to this 189. So sorry, wrong one. So yeah, right now, as of this second here, we are in a little bit of trouble, so we got to get out of this consolidation area. So this has been consolidating. Want to see if we can break outside that consolidation. Looks good. He said, guys, ARRNE, rare earth exploding largest. Dude, yeah, we're gonna have to take a look at it. I got you, bro. All right, cool. Let's see here. All right, let's see. IWM. Okay, I gotta tweak up these charts too, you guys, so you guys see this. Oh, we might have a move on this today. Let's see. Hold on. Might keep the same little box. Okay, actually, it looks good. So I think I'm gonna keep the same box here, which, you know, honestly doesn't look too bad. So all right, so yeah, right now we got a nice little Potter box, as you can see. So yes, right under this 260.57. I do want to personally see down to this 259, which looks good. So looks like we're trying to break this wall. If we can, I do want to see down to that 259, which I will leave some runners trying to reach this little pocket here. So we got a pocket here that looks good. So nice clear gap up, no consolidation. Want to see breaking on that 258 down to that 254. So it looks good. Not too bad there. So literally looks like, you know, all of our plays that we have, you know, obviously yesterday was a little bit of a range day. This wasn't yesterday, but you can see clear gap down. Want to see a nice break into the consolidation, or outside of consolidation. In consolidation, want to see a breakout into the empty space. So that's what I'll be looking for today. See if we can get it. All right, let's see here. So IWM looks good. Looks good. NVDA, we got to go over EL SPY. Okay, hold on. 1 second here. All right, so SPY looks like, yeah, we already hit that final TP as well. Now we got to break this down a little bit more. Let's see here. Yo, Seeking Truth, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. Appreciate you tuning in. All right, let's see here. What's crazy is, since that move already happened, there's a little box here, which doesn't look bad. So let's see here. Alright, so yes, right under this, hold on, let's see. 689 area, I do want to see if we can break down into, so yes, I do see down to this 689 still, but honestly I think there's a little bit more of a room down here, which I will probably take if we can get that. So yeah, there is a little bit empty space down to this 689.81 down to the 689.01, but I want to see the slaughter runner, see if we can hit this empty space down here. So that's my little play. That's what I can see there, which looks good. On that 1 hour chart, this is on, let's see. So nice top wall there, bottom wall. So the main move for the downside, 686 down to this 685. So yeah, we got a little move here. So yeah, a lot is in range, or it did hit my final take profit. So yeah, just gonna have to see how things play out for these trades. All right, cool. So yeah, there's that little move there. A little bit of gap, nothing crazy, but yeah, it might leave a little lotto if we end up dropping for today. All right, cool, cool, cool. Looks good, looks good. All right, IWM, we just did that. So we got to go over EL. We'll go over HOD. Yes, we'll fix the price so you guys can see that. Let's see. Yo, Logan, what's up? What's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Yes, sir, I got you, man. So yeah, let me do this really quickly here, and then yeah, I'm gonna pull up all these other trades really quickly. All right, so. And honestly, today I'm favoring the upside, but hopefully, we can get it. So that's it. One second here. Yo, Lawnmower ended up posting a little message inside the general chat for anyone that wants to look at what we do here. It's in the free chat too as well, so you can see what we do, if we hit our trades or not. But yeah, you can see that in the chat. Pretty cool. All right, so EL, let's take a look here. Let's see, EL. Oh, dude, yeah, this looks good. This doesn't look bad. All right, yeah, I'm finding some swings on this live too as well, so hopefully they're watching. If they're not, then it's fine. I'll still be on live after market opens. So let's see. Yo, okay. Yeah, we got a little box here. Little box there. So it looks like if we can break outside this box here and then go into this empty space, it looks good. Let's see. Top, bottom, all empty spaces above us, which looks good. So as of right now, yes, we're outside of the wall, but I do want to see if we can get a nice close so we can go into this empty space. So it looks good, looks good. Yo, if you're in the chat, Rug dropped some charts here, so make sure to go take a look at those. Pretty much reading the same. Pretty much same place. Alright, cool. They look really good. Alright, so, yeah, that's on EL. Actually looks good. I'll take a look on this a little bit later. HOD. I've been waiting on this one, man, so I still like it. Let's go ahead. We'll zoom in really quickly. Hopefully you guys can see a little bit of these numbers as well. So, yes, we're going to get rid of this, actually. We're going to get rid of all this since that play already hit. Screw this. So yeah, every day in the Discord, same exact thing. Going to get rid of this. Not all of it, though. So yeah, right now we're in a little bit of consolidation. I still like this. I want to swing this really bad. Above this 124, if we can get that break, a nice kind of body close, empty space with that 132, so it looks good. Hopefully we break out of that consolidation, so we'll see how that plays out. Alright, cool. So yeah, let's go over these other stocks you want me to look at. 1 second here. So MU, I think Logan wanted to see that one. We did HOD. Yo, I know, what's up, bro? Riot? Alright, cool. CVX. Cool. NBIS. Alright, cool. And Lulu. Yo, Secret Trip, what's up? Good morning, nice to see your face. Yo, what's up, Shirley? Dude, I'm surprised Fabby's not in here. She's been like telling me to stream, and I'm like, all right, I'm here now. So, you know, where's she at? You know? No, I'm kidding. All good. Good to see you all. All right, so MU. Let me take a look here. I don't know what I'm looking at, so I kind of want to start fresh. Weekly chart. Fabby's always at work. Dude, the crazy thing is, Fabby, she'll be at work, and then she'll be like, yo, thanks for the trade. I'm like, dude, I don't even know she got in. Alright, cool. Let's see here. MU. Alright, at least to the upside, I will be honest, not really anything stopping us. Because I did go to this weekly chart. Literally, there's no other candle stopping us on this weekly time frame. So we could end up, you know, getting that continuation. But I will say, on the 4 hour, I did see a little something here. So nothing crazy, but still a little something. Looks like we ended up breaking outside of our box and then going to the empty space. So if we want to drop here, we would have to obviously push down, that's of course, but would want to see if we could hit that imbalance at 332, which looks good, and then at 327. So I don't really want to chase into this play, but if we let's see, but we got to retest this little level, so I don't really want to just jump in. But if we break under that 338, looks good. All right, cool. Yo, Fabby, she's here, guys. She's here. All right, cool, go. So yeah, that's on MU. Riot, yeah, I mean Riot still looks good. I still like Riot. We saw this one just the other day, or not the other day, but just yesterday. I can see, yeah, we stalled out a bit, but yeah, I do want to see, yeah, if we can hit that 1792 and then that final, that 1957. So they look good to me, but we're just gonna have to see how things play out. Worst comes to worst, we might end up retesting this wall, but hopefully we can just end up going up straight to those targets. So it looks good. She said, about time you show yourself. Yo, Fabi, I'm here. So yeah, she's an OG inside of the Discord. LMT, yo, Darren, yeah, I got you. 1 second here. Can I check out meta for puts? Yes, sir. I got you. But yeah, after we go over these little trades, we'll go over those other ones as well. So 1 second here. All right, so as of right now, let's take a look. CVX. Oh. Okay, I do remember doing this one. Okay. So we haven't broken out of our box yet. Let's see. So yeah, I still like the 1 hour. The 1 hour doesn't look bad. Let's see here. Okay, yeah, so we got a box here. And then empty space. So right at this, let's see. 166, so there's basically a box here that we have to break outside of in order for us to target into this upside. And I do want to see up to this 169. So we haven't done that quite yet, but if we can, looks good. For me at least, we're in consolidation, so I don't want to take a trade in consolidation. I know yesterday was a little bit different since we were ranging, so if you were in my Discord, we did have what? I think we had a couple, decent plays that hit, and then we had that range play that happened, so that was on the queue. So I mean, hopefully, I'll be honest, hopefully we don't range. But yeah, you can see. Hold on. So yeah, we ended up calling out. So shout out Glock for those cons. But yeah, we had this little target that we were looking at for those puts. You can see where we got in, pretty much at that top, and then we ended up dropping. So pretty much had a beautiful little entry on that, and then we ended up going down to those targets there. So hopefully we can break outside of consolidation. But if we don't, then I'll definitely find a little play for sure. Hi man, Happy New Year. Lots of good runs. Yo, what's up? Happy New Year as well. Hope you're having a great, beautiful day, man, for sure. Yo, Jose, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. Alright, I'm not gonna lie. Meta looks good. Let's see here. So, I'm not gonna lie. We ended up getting a break outside of this box here. So, if we end up getting this continuation, I want to see down to that 617 and then that 601, which looks good. That's just what I can see. But, yeah, that's what I like. So, let's see how that opens up, how that reacts, and if we can, it looks good. Let me see here. Let me see. On the 1 hour. So, yeah, on the 1 hour, there's a box, that just formed. So, we would need to, pretty much, break outside this wall for that continuation, which is that 625. Looks good. I couldn't find the Discord, so yeah, the Discord is in the bio. It's actually in my link. But yeah, just remember, do your own research, not financial advice, not telling anyone to get into any trades, to do anything. Honestly, if you do join, the free chat is there. You can see what we do here. Honestly, talk to the members, see what we do, ask them questions. So yeah, you can just scroll through and see. VIP chat is there. Just make sure to read all disclaimers and all that good stuff as well. Alright, so let's see. Alright. LMT. We end up, okay, so LMT, we had a nice close outside of our box here. So yeah, we closed outside. Yesterday we ended up touching that first TP. So which is that inbound, so which is our first or most important TP as well. And what I do want to see is up to that 568. So 568 looks good. So not too bad there. He said, member of the Discord, they're fire and so helpful, made some really good trades with little money. Yo, let's go. I'm gonna pin that comment. Yeah, Tima, you've been doing pretty good. I've seen it for sure. Obviously, I'm not saying that I hit every trade. Obviously, you know, sometimes I gotta stop out, you know, take a little L, that's fine. But yeah, we try to call it out as easy as we can, and then we get in. If not, then yeah, we just wait, and yeah. Really can't really show too much on here, but you can just scroll through and see. Alright, so meta, okay, we did that. Obviously, yes, we did the downside. Upside, we would have to break above this 631. And then if that happens, there is empty space up to this 641. So it actually looks good, not too bad there. I want to see if we can get that break, which looks good. All right, cool. Keyword, little bit of money. Dude, exactly. Honestly, bro, I just try to hit the bigger time frame trades and, you know, some decent, you know, trades. I'll be honest, I don't care about like 5 to 10% trades. I want like something more than that, but I'll be grateful for what I have. So that's that. Okay, Lulu. All right, I'm gonna redo this because it still looks. I still like it. I can see that we ended up creating another little box here. So hold on. Top, bottom walls. Okay, yeah, I got that box pretty much created. So yeah, right above us, we got empty space. From that 216, if we can get that break above there, you can see that we got a little gap here. So what I see in here is that. Pretty much up to this 223. Looks good. Want to see if we can get that break. If not, then that's fine. Right now, we're in that consolidation. I know yesterday we took a trade inside of consolidation, but for this, I definitely won't be taking anything that's in this box here. NVO, yo, what's up, Quay? I got you, man. All right, cool. Let's see. So yeah, I want to see if we can get that break. Empty space, which looks good. Not a bad little move. All right, so yeah, that's on Lulu. I like both ways. Not in real life, but just in this in the chart here. But yeah, clear gap down, boom, empty space there, and then upside looks good too as well. All right, NBIS. Let's take a look here. Yo, Mariana, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. Appreciate you tuning in. All right, let's see. So NBIS. We did IWM. Yeah, we got some good plays. Dude, I'm surprised you guys caught that. That's funny. Yo, Fabby, she's roasting me right now. I didn't even see that. That's crazy. All right, let's see here. NBIS LMT. We just did that. Or no, we didn't. Oh, actually, we just did it. Okay, hold on, let's see. Yo, Kira, what's up? Apple, all right, hold on. APL. All right, let's see. NVO, all right, hold on, we gotta go over. I'm just going to pull up all these other stocks really quickly. We did CVX. You guys want to see? Let me see here. So did we go over SPY? Yeah, Jose, I don't know if you were here for SPY or not. But yeah, we can definitely go over it. Path, all right, cool. We'll take a look there as well. And then, let me see. Yes, LMC, we did that meta. Okay. Oh, Shirley, I got you with BE. Yeah, cool. All right, got you guys. Yeah, I had to just scroll through and just see, just to make sure. All right, and then I'm pretty sure that Uncle Will wants SOFI, so we're gonna pull up SOFI for you. I got you, bro. All right, so NBIS. Honestly, we could not get over our next little. Hold on, let's see here. So yeah, we actually broke outside of our box, and then we ended up touching that TP. So the TP was touched, the imbalance. We just didn't finish the move, so this is why, especially if you're in my Discord and our first target hits and we're in the play, I get out most of my contracts and then see if the final can hit. And if it doesn't, then I'll just stop out. So first target ended up doing well. If it does want to happen, 111 though. If we go back into this box, it's 103.78. Could see a little bit of a downside but hopefully we retest there. All right, so that's on NBIS. Apple, man, I feel like we've been waiting on Apple for like years, or maybe not years, but all right, cool. Yo, Kyler, what's up, bro? Alright, one second here. Alright. So, Apple, man, yeah, we've been... I had this box for, I think, what? It feels like I had this box for a week, but it hasn't been a week. It's been, what? Only like a day or two. I still like it. Empty space is upside. So, I want to see above that 262 if we can get that break into the empty space up to that 269. I've been waiting on that for last couple days. There's also a play under us too, so man, this looks beautiful. This looks good. I'm not gonna lie. So I probably should. All right, cool. All right, yeah. So I still like it. Yeah, we got this clear gap up under that 257. Personally, I want to see a strong close. So hopefully we get a 4-hour close outside this box here, and then we have empty space below us. As of right now, I don't know where it's going to go. I could care less where it goes, as long as it goes somewhere. And if it doesn't, if it stays in this box, I would definitely not be taking it. So that's that for me. So just like all these plays, except for, you know, the play from yesterday. So yeah, we're in the box and trade. This is the, you know, the box we actually took from seller's control, and then we ended up taking it to the downside. So we had a crazy entry on that. That was from yesterday though. But yeah, that was that. Empty space. Let's see here. So we did Apple. We got to do NVO. Let's see here. And yes, we're going straight down the line. So yeah, if you don't see the stock, but we're coming. We're going. All right. So NVO. Yeah, I like this too as well. So I'm gonna continue to write this down each day until it happens. Maybe I should just put an alert here. That would be great. Yo, brush your teeth joined. Dude, I was like, bro, did he just tell me to brush my teeth? I was like, I just did that this morning, but it's just his username. All right, anyways, yeah, NVO, I do want to see above this 62.48. We got empty space up to that 70.49. So this is a move that I'll be waiting for that I like. I do have my alert on this now, so hopefully we can get a 24-hour close into this empty space there. And then yeah, we got a nice pocket here as well. So right now, at least for me, we're in consolidation, so I just don't want to touch this as of this second here. All right, cool. Let's see. So SPY, yeah, pretty much same thing here. We got empty space, so we got to do SPY. We got to do path. I think Shirley wanted BE, and then SOFI for Will. All right, cool. All right, cool. All right, let's see here. All right, so I see a range on the 4-hour between. So I was actually about to go over this 4-hour. I mean, not the 4-hour, the 1 hour. But yeah, there is a little 4-hour box here. You said 689. Let me see. 689.50. So yeah, we're in a little bit of a range on that, but I will be honest with you, there is a smaller box here. So there's empty space here, which, you know, doesn't look bad. The only thing about this one though is, you know, we don't really have a crazy move. So, and I did this on a 30-minute chart, by the way. So this was that box there, 30-minute box. So I think I did this on a 30-minute, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, honestly, there's a box here, which looks good. So there's this box here that we originally did it on. But the 1 hour also looks good. So this, and I'll be honest, it's not really a box, but more of like a little level that we would have to break. So, yo, Rookie, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. What's the percentage odds of that happening? I'll be honest, man. With all my trades, I don't know if it'll hit. And I know that sounds crazy. I know it sounds stupid. Like, what is he talking about? He doesn't know if it's going to hit or not. Doesn't even know if the play is going to happen. I'll be honest, I don't know if it will happen. I'm only ready for the positions, so I can only react to them. So this is something that I would like, I would love, but it really just depends on, you know, where the charts want to go. So literally every day. So like I could just scroll back to a random time. Doesn't matter. Just want to show the charts, honestly, not anything else. But like SOFI, like we created this box. I didn't know we were going to break out, but I only reacted to it. We broke outside that wall. We had the empty space there. Same thing with Tesla. It doesn't matter. I create the box if we're in consolidation. I just don't trade. If we can get that nice breakout consolidation, that's when we'll take the trade there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I know it sounds crazy. I know it may sound wild, but yeah, that's pretty much every day. I mean, I have a good feeling of what can happen, but I don't trade my feelings. I only trade, you know, the charts pretty much. All right, so yeah, that's on SPY, which looks good. Ooh, SPY to the upside though. So I will say there's another box here. So just a box. Don't let it. The SPY looks good. 691, 692. Empty space is here, which looks good. Not too bad at all. All right, so yeah, there's a little box here. So if we end up breaking outside that 691. Could see up to that 692, and then might leave a little lot of runner trying to reach up to this 694. So not too bad there. All right, cool. All right, so that's there. I kind of want to do the Qs again as well. So Qs pretty much same thing. I want to see if we built a little bit of consolidation. And hold on, let's change this before it gets freaky in here. Don't need that. Okay. So yeah, we did this on a nice little 30-minute. The 1 hour looks good too. Oh, that 1 hour candle looks amazing now. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, yeah, we got some empty space, both sides. Yes, sir. That's all I use. Yo, Darren, yeah, I got you with Netflix. We can definitely go over that. Yeah, man, I use the Potter box. That's it, man. So the box tells me when to get out, tells me when to get in, tells me if I can take profits. It tells me if I have to stop out of the trade. It just tells me everything pretty much. So that's the only reason why I like to use it. Ooh, that looks good. So we got a nice little box here. The space above us, which looks good. So above us and below us. I just need to put a bunch of boxes on my screen, huh? I mean, really up to you, man. I mean, really how you want to trade, honestly. All right, so yeah, there's empty space here, both below us and above us, which looks good. So we'll see how things play out with that little trade. So not too bad at all. All right, cool. I know, and yes, guys, I know he's roasting me. I know he's trying to troll. What do you do when there's empty space above and below? Dude, I just wait. So sometimes you can see in my charts, like even for this one, this QQQ play, we had empty space above us, and I also had empty space below me too. And we're in the box, we're in consolidation. So all that I do, I just wait, man. I could care less what happens if we stay in consolidation. I won't rush into anything. I'm just gonna wait. and you can see what happened. We had a play on both sides, man. So I was waiting on, you know, either one. I could care less. And then you can see we're dropping down, and then we have the entry under our wall into the empty space. So that's all that I wait for. So I care less where it goes. Obviously, you know, if it went up that day, I would have took those calls. But, you know, the chart showed me that it went at the downside. So that was the only reason why I chose that. And you can see, you know, other people cashing literally that same trade. Love this group. Shout out to, you know, Jesus, amen. Lock in progress too. So this was what? Thursday of what, last week? You can see what one of the members did last week, and now you can scroll through just today. Or not today, but I think it was yesterday. And you can see what a few of the members ended up doing just off of those trades. So you can see, boom, Q, same thing. You can see where his account was at and where it is now. So yeah, we just wait. I just like to wait, man, and that's it, honestly. All right, let's see, path. Let's take a look here. All right, cool, cool, cool. Yeah, he's trolling. It's all good. No worries. I mean, dude, everyone trades a different way. I only trade what I can see, so that's pretty much it. But I mean, hey, if it works for you, if whatever works for you, that's fine, man, for sure. So what I use may not work for you, which is perfectly fine. All right, so let me see. Path actually looks good. Not too bad here. So what I do see is a clear gap up, no consolidation. Yo, 4Guy, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. All right, so yeah, we got empty space, which is under us. So basically seeing that nice gap down there, and then yes, empty space right under this 1589 down to this 1374. So it actually still looks good, not too bad. Want to see if we can get that nice little break into that empty space. So looks good, looks good. All right, so yeah, that's on path. I will see how this end of day candle will bring, see if we can get a nice close into the empty space there. It looks good. All right, yeah, that actually doesn't look too bad. Not too bad at all. All right, cool. All right, so yeah, I'm sending a couple more charts in the chat, so give me a second. I think I just sent that. Let me see, let's see. All right, cool. So yeah, we got to do what? So SO5, we got to pull that up. We got to do IWM again, and we'll definitely take a look there. So we did path. All right, yeah, BE and also SO5 has to be next, and then Netflix. So yeah, those three got to be first, and then we'll go over these other ones. Let me see. All right, cool. My bad, I'm just pulling up all these other charts we got to go over. All right, so AVGO, and then BA. All right, cool. Yeah, we'll take a look here as well. We will take a look. All right, cool. And yes, give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab me some more water, things of that sort. So yes, just make sure, do your own research. Honestly, if you do plan on joining the Discord, free chat is there. But yeah, read disclaimers, not financial advice, all that good stuff. But yeah, just give me 1 second. I'll be right back. If you have any requests or if I missed it, just make sure to drop those in the comments and we'll go over it. All right, yes, 1 second here. I'll be right back. Yo, what's up, everyone? I'm back. All right, so let's see. Yo, Sinky, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. All right, Uncle Will, before you lose service, hold on 1 second here, bro. Don't leave. Don't lose service yet, bro. Wait until SO5, then you can lose service. All right, so I mean, I still like it. We did this on a 2 hour, I believe. 2 hour, 1 hour. Still lines up pretty nicely. So yeah, 2 hour chart. We got empty space. Hold on, let's see. Which is here. So I want to say about that 28, 20 up to that 29, 25. Right now we're just in a little bit of consolidation, so I want to see if we can break outside of consolidation. See that empty space. Actually below us too, we got a nice little move. So what I can see is we got a nice little box there, and then yeah, empty space. So under that 26, 12, 25, 39. So there's a clear gap up here, no consolidation, that I would like to take to the downside. Actually, not a bad little move. Nothing crazy, but not terrible. So basically seeing this little gap down there, if you can see that. That I would like to target into. So yeah, if we can, looks good, looks good. Alright, so yeah, that is on SO5, looks good. Okay, so that's there. We gotta go over Netflix and then BE. Let's take a look here. I think there was something here that I was looking at. Let me see. Yeah, I see it. Okay. One second here, guys. One second. All right, 1 second here. 1 second. I'll go over this. 1 second. Just putting in, typing in some chats. Alright, so my bad, had to lock in for a second. Yeah, Netflix I do see above this, so pretty much the same box above that 92.25. At least for me, I don't know about anyone else. But if we can get that nice candle close at that wall there, empty space up to that 94.09, so little gap there. And then right under us, hold on, let's see, we got a nice box here. It's a little box there. So I'm pretty much just going to move these little lines since I don't need those anymore. So yeah, right under this, oops, not me do that. Okay, right under this 91.34 area, we got empty space down to this 90.40. He said that's one way to watch Netflix. Yo, what's up, dude? Yeah, I got you with Walmart. So yeah, right now we're inside of consolidation. So I guess this is my way of, you know, watching Netflix, I guess. All right, so looks like pick this up just a bit there. There we go. Okay, cool. All right, so BE. Hopefully Shirley's still watching. So BE, let's take a look here. Weekly charts. I'm going to be honest, yeah, we don't really have anything stopping us to this upside here. So I will say, yes, if we end up getting above that 141.71, there's nothing to stop us. But if we go to this lower time frame, let's see. There's a better move, so bottom wall there. So above that 140, we can get that nice close. Empty space up to that 145, so it doesn't look too bad either. All right, cool. So SO5, we just did that. Netflix. All right, IWM, we did RAN. So RAN, we had this nice close outside this ball here. Either we go into the empty space or we go back into this 50-50 area. So we'll have to see how that plays out too. Hopefully we get that nice push up. All right, ABGO. Yo, Fritz, what's up, bro? Dude, man, I'll be honest with you. I still want above this 362 up to this 399 looks good. And then so otherwise we're still in this box. So I want to see if we break outside this wall here. And then under us, so it looks like we ended up creating another little box here. So right at this top bottom wall under this let's see, 349 area, we got empty space down to that let's see, 339, which looks good. Right now we're just in consolidation, so a lot of these stocks are in consolidation. So basically want to break outside of consolidation so we can go into the empty space, which looks good. Not too bad there. All right, cool. All right, so that's on AVGO. All right, cool. That is not a Potter box. Dude, fire, man, no worries. All right, we'll keep on going. Let's see. BA as well. Yeah, I got you, man. So yeah, BA, man, we already ended up hitting this little first target there, first and final target there, and then a next little leg up. We got above that 248 up to this 259, so it doesn't look bad. So hopefully we get that nice break and close, and then yes, we got that empty space which is above us. All right, AMD. Let's see here. So yeah, AMD. Yeah, we gotta move. I'm personally waiting above this 222. So clear gap down, no consolidation there, and then if we can break above that 222.93, we got empty space up to this 229. So, and yes, this at least for me, this will be a Potter box since we got points of contact. Body candle there, and then a wick, body candle, and then another body candle there. So 2 points of contact and more on both sides. So that's what I like on AMD, which looks pretty good. So yeah, I'll wait for that move. Not too bad there. We'll see how that wants to play out. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. I actually will be hopping on live a little bit earlier on the face stream, so I do want to find another little stock. I'm going to find a play on live stream as well, as we did the other day. So yes, I will be back on in another hour or so. So if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat, the VIP chat. I gotta do a lot of typing now, so I gotta clutch this up. If you don't want to join, no worries. I'll still be on live, and then yes, Innovate Swings for that live stream as well. So yeah, see you either in the Discord or in the next live stream. Everyone have a blessed day. See you all soon. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you all so much.